Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amerse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 14, Practical Geometry. Question number 3 of exercise 14.1. Draw a circle and any two of its diameters. If you join the ends of these diameters, what is the figure obtained? What figure is obtained if the diameters are perpendicular to each other? How do you check your answer? Students, here we have to draw a circle with any two diameter, and if we join the end of these diameter, we have to state what figure is obtained and what figure is obtained if the diameters are perpendicular to each other. Solution for question number 3. Step 1. Draw a circle with center O with suitable radius. Students, here we have to draw a circle with center O. Here we have to make a point and we will write this, name it as O, and we have to draw a circle with this center with a suitable radius. So students, in this way we have to draw a circle. Here I have taken radius of 4 centimeter. You can take any radius. Step 2. AB and CD are any two diameters. Here we have to draw two diameters. Students, in this way we will draw two diameters, AB and CD. Step 3. On joining the endpoints of the diameter, we get a quadrilateral ACBD. Here we have to join the endpoints of this diameter to form a quadrilateral. Students, in this way we have to join the endpoints to form a quadrilateral. Step 4. We find that OA, OB, OC, OD and AC, DB, AD and BC are equal, and angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D are equal, and their measure is 90 degree. Thus the opposite sides, here these are the opposite sides of the quadrilateral ACBD, and they are equal, and each angle is a right angle. So quadrilateral ACBD is a rectangle. Now part B of question number 3. Here we have to obtain a figure if the diameters are perpendicular to each other, and we have to check our answer. So steps of construction. Step 1. Draw a circle with center O. Here also we have to draw a circle with any suitable radius. So we are drawing a circle with radius 4 centimeter. So students, in this way first we have to draw a circle with center O. Now we have to draw two diameters AB and CD which are perpendicular to each other. So students, in this way we will draw two diameters AB and CD which are perpendicular to each other. Now we will join their ends to get a quadrilateral. Now we will join these ends to form a quadrilateral. So students, in this way we have to join the end points of the diameters to form a quadrilateral ACBD. Step 3. Measure the sides and angles of the quadrilateral. Now we have to measure the sides. These are the sides AC, BC, BD and DA, and angle A, C, B and D. We will find that AC is equals to CB is equals to BD is equals to DA. All the sides are of equal measure, and angle A, angle C, angle B and angle D are also of equal measure, and their measure is 90 degree. Therefore we can say that the quadrilateral ACBD is a square. Question number 4. Draw any circle and mark points A, B and C such that A is on the circle, B is in the interior of the circle, C is in the exterior of the circle. Solution for question number 4 of exercise 14.1. Here first we have to draw a circle with center O, and we have to mark point A, B and C such a way that A is on the circle. So here we will put a point and we will write here A, as A is on the circle. B part of question number 4. B is in the interior of the circle. So here we will put a dot and we will write B. Now B is in the interior of the circle. C part of question number 4. C is in the exterior of the circle. So here we will place a dot and we will write C. And C is in the exterior of the circle. Question number 5 of exercise 14.1. Let A, B be the centers of two circles of equal radii. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of the other. Let them intersect at C and D. Examine whether line segment AB and line segment CD are at right angles. Solution for question number 5. Steps of construction. Step 1. Draw a circle with center A and take any radius. Here also, students, we have to draw a circle with any radius and we have to take A as a center. So students, in this way we have to draw a circle with radius 3 cm and with center A. Step 2. Mark a point B on the circle. So students, now we have to mark point B on the circle. Step 3. With center B and the same radius, draw another circle. So students, we have to draw another circle with center B and same radius. So students, in this way we have to draw another circle with center B. Now this circle B intersect the first circle at point C and D. Now here we will write point C and here we will write point D. These two circles intersect at point C and D. Step 4. Join AB and join CD. We have to join this AB points and CD points. Students, in this way we have to join CD and AB. Now you can see that AB and CD intersect each other. Now we have to measure C. Here we will write point O where the two line segments CD and AB intersect. Now we have to measure this COB with the help of a protractor. So students, with the help of protractor we will measure COB. We will find that the measure of angle COB is 90 degree. So we can say that line segment AB and line segment CD are at right angles. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.